what it do? Oh, what's up? Can I? Hey, 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 hey. What's good, fam? It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys. What's poppin', locking up in this thing? How you feel today? Let me know, sis. It's a new video. That's like a lamb. So welcome back to your girl's channel. Okay, today's video we are transforming this mess into a nice, sleek, defined, cute, snatched bun. Okay, but not too snatched, because we want our edges. We need those for 2020. So in today's video, we are getting all into how I'm getting this thick hair into a nice top bun. Okay, if you are not subscribed and part of the CurlieCrys family, that's an issue. Smash that button down below. Okay, smash the button down below. Come on, people. Come on, it's time to join the family. I mean, I feel like by now you've probably clicked on this video about 5 times. You clicked on my channel about 5 times. I keep on popping up when you're recommended. Smash the button, okay? I mean, by this time and day and age, I think we're well acquainted. It won't hurt you to go ahead and smash that button. You're here every week anyway, so go ahead and smash that button down below, okay? Go ahead and join the family. I appreciate you for doing that. So let's get into the details of today's video. Like I said, we are sleeking this hair into a bun. This side over here is so cute. Like, I love the definition. Over here, it a little frizzy, It a little struggle bust, you know, So what you're gonna be needing for this style is, of course, a toothbrush, a wave brush, a hard bristle, soft bristle brush. These are all to get everything sleek, and then the edges, of course. And then what I'm going to be using as well is the Cream of Nature edge control, and this is the Pure Honey edge control. So this one's very, very thick. And then I'm also going to be using my Eco Styler. I'm gonna decide either between the Eco Styler or the Main Choice Gelato Gel, because this one gives me a great hold as well. So I'm gonna use either one of these. I have not completely decided yet. Then some water. Of course, we're using the JBCO one by As I Am. What's new, people? I'm not gonna use any cream because I've already used a lot of cream on my hair. Like, my hair has a lot of product on it, so it doesn't need any more product. Whenever I spray that water, it's going to reactivate that product in my hair, so that'll be enough. And then you're gonna need something to tie it down with. So let's go ahead and jump right into what I will be doing. So I already have this part right here in the ponytail. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and keep that in the ponytail. Oh, you need a big scrunchie. Let me look at my scrunchie. Hold on. So I'm just going to be using this elastic band. I usually prefer to get like a satin scrunchie and put that on my hair. However, I'm not going to do it this time because I'm going to be going to work and everything, and I don't want that satin scrunchie to show. So I'm just going to go for the more professional look and just use a black scrunchie like this one. Since this is already at the top of my head, I'm just going to keep that in because I really don't feel like taking it out. So I'm gonna just push my hair up towards the top, and I've gotten a lot of requests to do this on my channel. I feel like my technique is very, very simple, but since I got a few requests, I did want to go ahead and film this for you guys because I'm pretty sure someone else wants to know as well. So now I'm going to gently mist the perimeter of my hair. Gently. And it is approaching wash day, but I'm trying to prevent wash day, honestly. Usually whenever I do my top knots, I will get my Denman brush and smooth out this section so it can be really, really wavy and detangled. However, it's going to eliminate some of the definition on my ends, so I'm going to skip that step just for this purpose. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie, of course. So I'm going to use the Main Choice gel. This one, I really do like it a lot. It is very like liquidy, but it has like a nice thick consistency, and y'all, it slicks everything back. Like when I tell you everything, like this is the consistency of it. And y'all, this thing right here, do not play no games, okay? It fixes credit scores and everything. Y'all see that? Look, it don't play games, sis. You want your ex back? Tell it. It'll get it done for you. Like, y'all, it gets it so sleek, okay? Like, sis. Now listen, you don't want to, you don't want to do this too much. Like, don't grab it too tight, sis, because you need your edges, okay? Apply enough pressure to where it's snatched, okay? But you still got edges. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie. I'm going to double it. Just like this. And we're going to go on in. That's that. Now, ooh, y'all, this almost fell on the ground with the top. Oh my God. If that would have fell on that ground, I would have cut the video off. Forget it. I'm gonna move this down some so y'all can see me while I work on my top part. Hi. So I'm gonna take a little bit of water and just spray right there. Make sure that's nice and, moisturized and everything. Now I'm gonna take my wave brush and just brush that like this to create your waves. Just like that, sis. Then I'm gonna take my toothbrush. So I'm gonna wet my toothbrush a little bit. Right now I'm just forming the edge. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. And then I'm gonna take some of my Cream of Nature edge gel, apply that on there. And I really like to use this Cream of Nature one just to mold the edges, like as a mold, because it does really, really good with that. And I'll apply a tad bit more of the edge gel to like right here, just to sleep that back. And once I have that edge gel on, now I'm gonna go in and reinforce it with that Eco, because the Eco is really what holds my edges. Out of everything I've tried, this Eco Styler really holds the crap out of my edges. So I'm going to put that on top of that, and that's going to make that hold. So now I'm going to move to right here and show y'all how I do this part. My little le swoop de joue. So I just swoop her like this. Real simple. And then I apply my Cream of Nature edge gel. And I only apply the Cream of Nature one whenever my hair is like old, like an old style that I'm redoing. If I'm coming straight out the shower, I won't apply any other Cream of Nature. I'll just go straight in with my Eco Styler, because my Eco Styler really does a great job at holding my edges and everything. So I don't really need the Cream of Nature one. I only use this one to mold the edges. But I'm able to mold it fresh whenever my hair is like freshly washed, right out the shower with the Eco Styler. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Cream of Nature and just push that in right here. And then a little bit more of the Cream of Nature and mold / set this in place. Now follow up with the argan oil edge control, and boom. Simple, right, sis? So this is what the edges are looking like. So now I'm gonna go in with my satin scarf and make sure it's satin. Sis, let me tell you something. If you think you about to get a cotton scarf or a bandana and tie your edges down, you sleep. Period. You knocked out, snoring. Sis, stop playing yourself now. Okay? We're almost in 2020. One thing we need to stop doing is playing ourselves. So you want to tie them edges up nice and tight, okay? But don't cut off your circulation, okay? So perfect, bam. So I tied my edges up all the way around. So now with this part right here, there's a few things we can do with this part of the hair. You can either leave it just like this, which is usually what I do, just leave it just like this. Or you can, you know, pull it around, make it smaller, pin it, and make a cute top knot. But for right now, the style I just want to leave it out like this and allow that definition to show, because my hair is still like very, very defined. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it just like this, and then in the morning I'm gonna take it down and we're gonna look at the final results. Okay, sis? Alright, fam, so it is the next day. Went ahead and put a little makeup on, you know what I'm saying, sis? So let's go ahead and take this off. Whew, hope for the best. Okay, I can touch them up a little bit. What happened was my scarf kind of slid off. Not slid off, but it got kind of loose overnight. So let me go touch up my edges real quick. But you guys can see that the waves are there, okay? Yes, sis. This is what you want, okay? This is how you want it to be nice and sleek. This is why you have to sleep overnight with your scarf on, so it could be nice and sleek. So let me go fix this real quick. Okay, family, so this is the final look, y'all. I think this is so cute. Like, this is honestly one of my best buns that I have done. Like, it just looks so sleek, you know? And with the ends being tucked, it makes the bun look that much better. Like, and then also by the hair up here having a little bit of definition from that old twist out, it makes it look so sleek and just so nice. I most definitely am loving this whole style. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But I think it's so cute. I love it. Another way to elongate the wear time of your hair before washing it again. So I know I showed you guys that you can like re-moisturize your hair. Once you re-moisturize it, throw it up in a bun. Okay, get some more days out of that hair. So I'm gonna wear this for a few days. This is so cute. This is what the back is looking like. So yes, guys, that's kind of the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this entire look. Are you feeling it? Let us know. Go ahead and chat with me a little bit, okay? Because I most definitely am loving this look. I can't stop looking at myself in my little mirror because it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. It came out way better than I thought, honestly. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Since we got all this thick hair in this nice sleek bun, okay? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well. Make sure to smash that button down below and become part of the CurlieCrys family. There's always a seat at the table just for you, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Whoa. Bye.